Hi, my name is Matt Clemens Jr. and I'm here at Source presenting my 48-hour film slam production, Fallen. Fallen is the story of Alan, who is a just recently let go convict of manslaughter, involuntary manslaughter. He used to be a superhero and fought crime with other heroes in town and stuff, and he had a partner that was Carmen. And just something kind of went wrong and everyone blamed him, so he was in prison for 10 years. And getting out, he's trying to find his old partner Carmen, and things don't always play out as they should, so he's kind of disappointed with what he finds afterwards. I think it's worth it to get just those few extra eyes on your project. You never know who's sitting in the crowd. Might be someone to work with later on, might be someone to employ you later on.